Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Uniswap V3 is coming in May, and we were waiting for this for such a long time. V2 came out back in 2020, 2018. We won, and now the evolution continues, and V3 is coming in May. The details coming up soon here on Blockchain Bloom. And the second news I would like to talk about is that analysis are actually bullish on Bitcoin despite of this pullback what we have just witnessed. They're saying that April could be a nice month. Let's discuss that as well. And finally, the third news will be that Elon Musk announced it officially that US customers can buy Tesla with Bitcoin. So all this in today's video. Most important thing is education, and education if you want to participate in this cryptocurrency market. It's really fastly growing and it's very difficult to catch up if you don't keep yourself up to date. This is the main reason why I made Blockchain Bloom, because I'm putting videos on YouTube every weekday to keep you up to date, so you have always the freshest, the crispiest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button so it gets to more people on YouTube, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, because then you're going to get these videos as soon as they out, because you're getting the notification if you hit the subscribe button, bell button, and then all. And yes, I think this is very important. Also, if you're a newbie and you would like to learn how to start to invest in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, I have a free course for you. The link is under this video, and I have many other useful links if you would like to join cryptocurrency exchanges, how you can get some free crypto, some free money, and so on and so forth. So check out the links under this video. And now let's move on to the market. We can see now Bitcoin going up 3.6% in the last 24 hours. It is right now at $56,514. Ethereum also going up 1.7% at the present price, $1,716. So yesterday we could see these red numbers even in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now it looking a bit better, definitely. And check out the winners. We have Anchor 40% up, Curve DAO token 25%, Theta 23%, Harmony 24%, Waves 23%. So you can see that altcoins are still doing great. We do know that even why Bitcoin, Ethereum were going sideways yesterday, or just a little bit up, altcoins went very well. When we're looking at the losers, then we have Dent minus 20%. But why? Because it went up 212% in 7 days. Uniswap is going down now a little bit, 5%. We were waiting for the big news, and the big news actually pushed up the waiting period again, that V3 is coming, and now price is going down because now it's official, but I'm going to talk about it as well. And we have here XRP going down 5%. So these will be the top 3 in the top 100. And now let's move on to Uniswap V3. This is the first one I would like to talk about. The decentralized finance system, the DeFi, is growing, and no doubt that Uniswap is a big part of it. And Uniswap was launched, back in 2018. In November. And the new thing in Uniswap was that you could actually swap ERC20 tokens to Ethereum tokens, which means that if you wanted to, you had an ERC20 token and you wanted to change it to another, you had to first swap it back to Ethereum, and then with Ethereum you could buy the other. Then V2 came out last year in May, and the revolutionary thing was that you could swap ERC20 with ERC20 tokens, so you didn't have to do it like ERC20 to Ethereum and then with that buy another one. You could directly, for example, Uni token, you could swap directly with another one, like for example, paid, just name another ERC20 and back and forth, no problem with that. And now a new thing is coming out. This is Uniswap V3. And according to this news, it will be the release date will be on the 5th of May, so pretty soon actually. And now at least we have a date. And there are several changes, but definitely the concentrated liquidity feature, it's one of the key things. There are many, so in the future I'm going to talk about it as well. What else will be new in Uniswap V3? But now, you have that. And I can show it to you here. This is, on their Twitter page. And you can see this short video up here. So you can see the big curve, when it's coming up in a second. And you can see actually a narrow band in this big curve. And this is what I mean by concentrated liquidity. So for example, this one is DAI in USDC. And, this is the whole curve here, as you could see. And then you basically just picking a narrow band of it to make even bigger profit with that. So all the liquidity, it isn't on the whole curve. The liquidity is focused on a narrow band. So this could be, this means concentrated liquidity feature. But also they have like, liquidity pools can provide liquidity up to 4,000x capital efficiency relative to Uniswap V2, earning higher return on their capital. So this is also key. The gas fees basically will be cheaper, not much cheaper, but cheaper than on V2. So actually that will decrease as well. Oh, by the way, here you have the same video which I just showed you. And another thing is that they're going to build Uniswap on optimism. You have this optimistic roll-up, and this will be launched also probably in May, in June, so after V3 is launched. So that one won't work immediately, but this is, a layer 2 solution. I have talked about it already in another video, and it will definitely speed up the Ethereum transactions. And Uniswap, it's built on it. And this is actually a very important thing, because if you have this optimism project, optimistic rollup, but DeFi projects won't really use it, then it's not really working. If, for example, a big guy like Uniswap it's building on it, then others will also join, and that can make it big. And then, because it's a layer 2 solution built on Ethereum, this will be actually then have a nice community which one is actually using it, and therefore this can make gas fees cheaper and also transaction faster. So very important that Ethereum will work with optimism. Yeah, basically that's it what I wanted to first show you. And then in the future videos I'm going to talk about it, because a lot of things coming up, but it will be a whole video about it. And these daily things are about the daily news. I just wanted to highlight what are the big things to Uniswap V3 and when it is actually coming. Okay. Oh, by the way, when you're looking at the DeFi pools and we're talking about the whole DeFi market, you can see that how big it is already. Look, $40 billion locked in DeFi, and even since January it went up like crazy. It was 15 bit. What's that? Yeah, well, look at this. It's a very big gain, and yeah, you have here also Uniswap here with its locked in in it, how much it is. So yes, DeFi is definitely growing and growing and growing. You can see this curve. If we go to O, let's put it this, then you will see how big it is. Look here, a year ago, we were somewhere here. A year ago, nothing compared to this one yet. So almost from small amount, couple of $100 million to billions, $40 billion locked into DeFi. So I think this is major. And this one, as you can see, is just growing and growing. Okay, let's move on to the second news, which is all about that even though we have a pullback, analysts are still bullish on Bitcoin in April. So recently, what we have seen end of February, another pullback came, and then after Bitcoin reached a new all-time high around 61,000 something, then the price dropped, and since that, we haven't experienced any new all-time highs. We were around 60 again, and then this week, at the beginning of week, we could see another pullback, but not going too far down, maybe to 53,000, something like that, and quickly came back. And if you're looking at, this Bitcoin chart, here we can see I drew this trend line, yesterday. And we were talking about this. Let's see what's happening. And actually, it did cross this trend line. But luckily, it came back. And now we can see a turn. So actually, this little bit went over it. It's not a big deal. The problem would be if it crosses it and will continue this downward trend. But then now it's looking good, because it's changing. And now, as you could see, it was 56,000 US dollars. So actually the price is going up. This is nice. And this would be actually important to continue. And then actually we can see a nice upward trend pretty soon. Because according to analysis, still bullish on April, despite Bitcoin price drop to 54K, or even a bit below. And via inexperienced traders and those who are new to crypto, space might view the recent downturn as a sign of a bearish reversal. Cointelegraph market analyst Micah van der Poop sees the pullback as a bullish development for Bitcoin. And we have to understand that this is necessary. We do need pullbacks to gain some energy and again go up. We need it because some of the charts, some of the indicators show the enthusiasm era, and this is very important. For example, the Nuppel chart, that actually it goes a little bit back, so the bull run can continue. Otherwise, if we don't have these pullbacks, it will explode too soon and it will stop too soon. So this is very, very important. According to his tweet, as long as 51K holds, and it doing so far, I'm assuming we will see continuous towards 68K. So he's definitely bullish on Bitcoin. Data from CryptoQuant, on-chain data provider, shows that the total of 14,600 Bitcoin left Coinbase in the early hours of March 2023. So basically yesterday. Traders typically view Bitcoin outflows as a bullish development, since the perception of a supply storage is a popular bullish narrative among crypto pundits. And while there is no way to confirm that the outflows were the result of the whale accumulations, analysis from Whale Map shows, here you can see the Whale Map, that there has been heavy accumulation at the 55,000 level. But the researchers cautioned that should the current support level fail, the next strong support level, it's found at 47,438 US dollar. So yes, things still looking actually overall picture good. There is a pullback. It's part of the game. It's part of the bull market. As you can see here, it's nicely supported. I would like to see this continue, and then it will be all good, and this trend line is going to continue. If not, you know, as they're saying, there is another support level. Oh, I don't, a different one here. Another support level at 47,000. But yeah, we will see. So this article even goes further, but I just wanted to point out that even we see this pullback, the bull market is still on, and many analysis saying April could be bullish. Don't forget that actually March, historically, it's a bearish month. So when price is going down or actually sideways, you know, when we're looking at Bitcoin, and usually the beginning of the year, it's bullish in alts especially, and now it can continue. And even the Bitcoin and Ethereum going sideways, we still can see altcoins doing very, very well at the moment. So yeah, things overall, I think, looking pretty good. And let's move on to the next news, which is all about that Elon Musk officially announced that US customers can buy now Tesla with Bitcoin. You know, Tesla joined the Bitcoin game this year when Elon Musk announced that Tesla, the company, invested 1.5 billion US dollar in Bitcoin, and now the company is holding Bitcoin. Probably they will increase this. And one way they can increase what they have in Bitcoin is with this news, when Elon Musk says now that Tesla accept Bitcoins from US customers. Elon Musk announced that Tesla cars can now be purchased using Bitcoin. The electric car company CEO and Techno King said the firm would operate Bitcoin nodes directly and would hold on to Bitcoin it accumulates without converting it to fiat. So the way now they accumulating Bitcoin, apart from that they buying Bitcoin, or they did buy Bitcoin this year, this 1.5 for 1.5 billion US dollar, is another way that customers buying Tesla cars with Bitcoin, they will keep that Bitcoin. They won't cash it out, won't put it in fiat. They will keep it in a way it is. And this could be also a very interesting thing, because, you know, one thing that companies buying Bitcoin, and more companies do so, will attract other companies take part in this trend. But also, if they can buy, people can buy something in Bitcoin, maybe others will introduce these kind of services as well. Even that Bitcoin is not designed to be, you know, a payment system, because it's way too slow and there are much faster things. But when companies would like to accumulate Bitcoin, this is a nice way to get it. They don't even have a transaction fee, because they will get pure Bitcoin, you know. So this is one way you can get paid in Bitcoin as well in some cases, not in every country, of course, but there are some opportunities. So this is definitely something which actually will further support Bitcoin and the increase of Bitcoin and use of Bitcoin, and also attract even more people to Bitcoin. Little tiny news here and there, but it add up, I think, and this is very important. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, if you like this content, smash the like button, highly appreciated. And with that, this video will get even to more people, which is actually the goal. And subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get daily videos in crypto and blockchain, because this is what Blockchain Bloom is all about. From Monday to Friday, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Check out the free course. The link is under this video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and many other useful links with discounts. So worth to check it out if you participate in this crypto game. And tomorrow I'm coming back, of course, with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing day. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.